मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। इससे आपको मेरी नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलेंगी।
Hello everyone, this is your English class, and in this class we are going to practice capital cursive letter B. Let's start. From the red line to the third blue line, then a slight curve and going back to the red line, then making a loop, then again make a slight loop and then curve. Once more we'll practice. From the red line to the blue line, then slight curve, then loop, then again half loop and curve. From the red line to the blue line, then a curve, and then loop, and again half loop and a curve. That's it. Thank you.